Welcome back to the channel, guys. By the title and thumbnail of this video, you probably know already what we're here for. Before I can install the wing, I need to take off the lip that's back there right now. So I'm at Walmart right now. I'm gonna get some materials to get that off. That was a mission. The Dremel that I was buying, it was like behind locked glass, and like, you know how Walmart has like those push buttons or whatever to people to come. No one came. It was like 20 minutes. No one came. So I had to go grab this grumpy old lady that didn't want to help. Needless to say, bag secured. Let's get started. That was way easier than I thought. Yeah, that came out like butter. Yeah, this car looks atrocious with no spoiler. I'm gonna go ahead and use painter's tape to kind of like tape around the area where we're gonna be drilling. Both sides are done. Now we wait. FedEx should be delivering the package any second now, so cross our fingers it gets here today. Making some progress. I used this guy to mark where I'm gonna drill on both sides. Let's get to drilling. Here goes nothing. I'm not gonna drill all the way in. I'm just gonna go through the metal first. Do the same on this side. I definitely underestimated this install. Got most of them in there. I had to shave off some of that plastic so I can get to the actual trunk. That's sitting there already. I'm gonna continue and go to the other side.
I did that. Sick.
Look who decided to show up.
Gang gang.
She. Alright, it's the day after the install. Yeah, I got pretty late last night, so I didn't have time to close out the video. I know it didn't seem like much on camera, but that install took us about 4 hours to get it all the way done. Most of that time it was just making sure that the fitment was at least at par where I wanted it. When we first got it on, the left side of the wing was not fitting properly, so had to make some minor tweaks just to get it to fit as flush as we could get it. Honestly, pretty happy with the results. It looks sick. I don't know if you can kind of see it right there. Definitely changed the whole vibe of the car. Forgot to mention, but I also had an appointment at the tire shop today. Went with the Nitto NT 555s. So far, first impressions, loving it. Not getting any more slippage on second. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap up the video right here. Catch you guys on the next one. Peace.